the demanding standards of musicians, producers, and audio enthusiasts. Among their standout offerings is the Audio-Technica m50x professional studio monitor headphones. In sleek black, these headphones are a symbol of professional-grade quality, critical acclaim, and unparalleled performance. Let's explore what makes the m50x a go-to choice for those who seek an exceptional audio experience. Proven professionalism. The m50x headphones have earned widespread acclaim in the audio industry, and for good reason. Renowned for their accuracy and clarity, they have become a staple in recording studios, mixing booths, and live sound environments. Their ability to reproduce a faithful and detailed sound signature has won the hearts of professionals and enthusiasts alike, making them a trusted companion for critical listening applications. Sleek aesthetic and build quality. Sporting a sleek and modern design in classic black, the m50x exudes a sense of professionalism and sophistication. The robust construction of these headphones ensures durability, making them well-suited for the demanding environments of studios and stages. The ear cups swivel 90 degrees, allowing for easy one-ear monitoring, an essential feature for DJs and recording engineers. Detachable cable for convenience. One standout feature of the m50x is the inclusion of a detachable cable. This adds a layer of convenience, allowing users to replace or upgrade their cables as needed. The three detachable cables provided, straight, coiled, and short straight, offer flexibility in various usage scenarios, from studio sessions to on-the-go listening. This thoughtful design element enhances the longevity and versatility of the headphones. Superior comfort for extended sessions. Long studio sessions or extended periods of critical listening demand comfort, and the m50x delivers in this aspect. The circumaural design with plush ear cushions envelops the ears, providing excellent noise isolation and ensuring that users can wear them for extended periods without discomfort. The adjustable headband accommodates various head sizes, making these headphones suitable for a wide range of users. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel since I upload useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up with our innovative items because they will make your life more simpler.